Ebusia anape mobile cover view ediba Ideas GA TV. Ha Nsemsem Dwumadze so anope bia from Monday to Friday and the bro Ideas GA TV. Midi edinana ama boydi wana wa senia wonim dada no nsema etwegu wo man ni mu ene sekendi takrade ha sei ene ne nkrabata nyina na ekeka bom na ede ama we bia ne ase sinkunia ewo fie ha sei ni mpenifo aye mpensempensemu ewo nima bia ekire ya adwen ewo oman mu na wa weni tua COVID-19 adaroma ama baby aye di empemprem ha say de wa wani tua de omampani eba be ka kire lockdown ho asema eno no kopie mu nkran ya lucky baby sanso na kuma so kopie mu a ya lockdown ewo baby na eno ada ka say free kuma se ne nkran ya ba no ubedu people so ubedu ntwaban a mpenifuo stop sa cars we nyina hwese on test wo bibia work sa car ni mu a wo ba takrade obewura takrade kroma no on test ni because so man hwe no man nya obi ana nipa because of say on mampeni I lockdown ni ntino ebi ona won kran ya ni bi wo no ho na so omunim na ode atena kan wo ba akra oba takrade because I lockdown enti mpenifuo hwehwe sankrofo we nu test on temperature hwese sankrofo aso omu se omu ba takrade ha se na se yemfo omu enko ayaresabia na yenko hwe emfoni ni bi ene se ne nema esi ekoye ewo eno a ukodu pepo so a dia na mpenifo no esi direct driver fo no na afi passengers omu te car ni mu ni ande se no mu si screen wo mu na che se enya sam ketua hand sanitizer se obia tumi den ekrebi lockdown we ni sisi COVID-19 era ye wo mu sisi and hand sanitizer ene hia na afi so se o we bia betumi ahoro wonsa na na wetumi ayeden ahoro wonsa enti no ena bipo so asat 7 to 8 no na mpenifo da so gina ho no ma omu screening crofo ene gunshot wudu ana no ni so se pan ye dia he so with temperature na normal ana say abnormal ne no dia wo se omu ye no na omu aye na eno ano cause amenya wo fe na nya asam kita bi no bisam se ama na dia mpenifo ye sebe omu nya nti ase afri se ye se ye ne bedi obidie mu 14 days as symptoms need to me show up na dia omu ye yidie e dia na omu pese wo mu kire ena misi munya botere na meminya hye na anya president sa ena mi hye da nkan Ghana Health Service for no ho sa ne mom de ebehwe de mpenifo ye ebehwe se ne de be free akire so be den ebeboa na ye nyina yetumi aye den ya hwe se ne bibia eko se ne wo hu mfoni ni ewo pepo so no sara ena etie na ye free pepo so na afide wo bepiem ewo ntwaban a ese no wo batakrade anu no obepi mu ntwaban no so gunshot wudu won mane ne gina wendu se ya na ai apomudifo so ewo ho no mo hwe bibia se bibia betumi akoso na mom yenko public health director wo STM no ne yentwetwe nkomo ene wo kire mu se ese so omo ye sa adwumedie we fi se enam se lockdown na esi nti ko bebre na etu kwan enti dia metropolis no so betumi aye e dia hwe se obi wo virus ni bia na so obi temperature e wo soro na so wo show symptoms ni bia afoto omo de be ma no enu nti ena ama omo abegina ntwaban ya se omo kase na ye ne openi ono ye public health director no ye ne etwetwe nkomo Dr. Kofi Sedland ye ne etwetwe nkomo ne nti ensem bia wo de tu ye nim.
It's very easy. You see that people migrate when there is disease or where there is war. So from the instruction given by the president, we anticipate that people will move from Accra to this place. Okay, so what we did is to check their temperature as a method of surveillance to pick up those who have got temperature. Those who have got temperature are advised. We first talk to them to know whether they've come into contact with somebody with a disease or they are traveling from outside or anything. Then we tell them when they go home, they should go into self-quarantine. We give them our hotline and tell them that if the temperature persists, they should call us for us to go and do what? Take samples to know whether they are really having COVID. Are you getting me? We've had 4 people with temperature between 38 and one of them had 40. And we've taken all of them their numbers. And those who are planning to move on to other places have been advised to stay. You know that at 1 a.m. today, no car is supposed to come here. So after midnight, we would assess the situation and see what happens. But we are educating them. Social distancing. If you look at the big buses, you've seen that most of them, there are very few people in them. We are telling them about the importance of washing their hands and using sanitizers where appropriate, and self-isolation if they have temperature. And we've told them the effect that it can have on their relatives and their children.
MC Eddie Mametri, one also watch them say, as to the Omuye, no quine swan no. Nina so could say the Oman Penny, the other two one, so Munisun and one or more, so won't be this winter. Antony K. Sam, one no and or your metro, you MC, 1 year at a chin, community on Sunday or the Tuja.
We all aware of the situation in the nation, right? Sunday like this, I wouldn't have expected it here. But because of what has happened, that's why we are here. Our friends, our family, our loved ones from Accra and Kumasi are trying to run away into Takrady, where they are saying it's a safer zone. But we will not allow them to come here without the proper screening. We don't know what is happening. And the region has set up a screening point at the booth, Bedukrum, before you enter the region. We in Sekeni Takrady see that from after Bedukrum, we have the Wasi, we have Beposu, we have Shama, we have Abazi. People can join in and enter the city without our knowledge. So we are here to screen the people, to educate them. Especially when they go home, they should distance themselves from their own families. And social distancing. When you look into the car, look at the front, instead of one, they have picked two, and the driver has no space. So all this education, we need to tell them. Arrangements so far, so good. We haven't finished. People were surprised when that we are taking such a move because they were not aware. Now, courtesy, joy, people are aware that now this is happening to Takrady. So if you know you are a carrier or something, you will stay away. And we beg them to stay away if they love their families in Takrady. They should rather stay away, not to come here. We want to tell them to stay away and stay at home.
Opinions ne dia wode ato ye nyina ye nimu no se na misika ye no ye be konkran na yakwa akwaji se ne mesi eko ewo ho no ende akwakwa ye lockdown wi na ne dia enkofo esi eye ewo nkran ene no ntini enya ye reporter ye ns kojo adofo no ena oni ye be kasa na chese wa cheche ne ekoso ewo nkran se ne enkofo esi jeje wo mu de na omu soso a pesemi kumnyafo no soso dia sojafo ne police fo no ede ye wo mu kojo sa wotemi nkama wa kwa ababiem ana pe bibia boko de ye de nyame ase wo hyede ma na se we pia bonti
you see the me nam shit me so ba me ID card she ma ho a if man say me police this is my ID card when they check me me be a person
oba che ne se we ko consent. Okay. My young dear, she and crying ko na ya lockdown we astati my young and crying dear air call honum sisia.
And I had a book with checking the street, street market, stuff, you know. And now maybe on my back room, on my market, on my tom, near my no piano, in conform back home, you're looking at and then I'm home. But quite street area new vicinities now, bottom now. The streets are empty. No one any about quite the chim. It's a queer Juma, none about quite the chim. There's a Odia said a new coin so.
And there's a them one.
Odia said them. Odia said them.
One also Mokawana.
I may be a one make our area collective. Concentration and all. Yeah.
Until I post if one who are around and I say, I should have found no more around.
I'm with them who say police and soldier need go around, but to be assured them.
Oh, okay.
Obeteka and if you from, but who be
If and is your who be now is a weapon if upon now.
You see, I mean, I'm at the police station, it's your 50 years from me, so I'm here.
I'll get our ID card.
I'm getting my ID card.
Ayo, and
the company say be a police mission. I didn't know my bonten and Monsieur Diamijuma. The ID card me win a chess. Miss Mama, this time I'm here report.
And you know, every more or money ID card in Ibino. I be a bibin to us or Mupia Bonti. I go compare 1 CD, 2 CD, the trade you are needing. Almost I'm not to say.
Like I say, you see, Oma Bechem to see any day. Robert, anything. So, in shit, the new t shirt, like, who now won't say, yeah, Ejumana and the exempted, as in our own point, or none of that is because the Bechem to see a no social NS Saturday. Nurse, or yet, or Komoto and Drone, Nurse, don't Nipa Hojiman.
I don't know for Munam Quiness, no, who's a Mokan, no more loading, say no more loading, no man, and I say, send a social distancing. Our much I say, we shall cast no quinded him.
Cast name for the menu, Catty, Bakuka, the chim was now.
Sir?
Bakuka, the chim.
It's 119 or could be a walk on.
How does that be?
119 and 119 form. When you come for. When you come for, when I'm from home.
Men I'm from about a farmer, Madam Ninaka.
Oh, Cosina nights our ground pesticides, Yentino. Cosina exercise next to be I know Bessie, and if we need it, now the because you're messing about one now, Yaji and Crown White. Yeah, that's a pan. And you know, and Escojo Adolfo, only and some junior on one kind. Ono na oni yen etwetwe enkomo no tini ese ebesi akokumase ni ahwe de akumase won so no de ankrofo ye na video bi anape mi producer de kira mi ye asem mo munya wate yese muntine fie why enya soodin asojafo enko try wo mu bi se o try wo mu mfo ho emfa nchew why tine fie enya soodin na wo de hyedem wo de gari kra na abenya kra de no sa 2 weeks mfo why bia betimi aye kama enti se na me kan no na pay ye sinkonwa e wo studio ha se ya ye ni mpenifo e betwetwe enkomo na me kwa ahoma no so e menya ya reporter ono no owo kumase ono so woni ye obetwa mfoni se na kumase e kono e de akere ye eye adwempa hene Kofi Mensa wono e wo kumase Kofi wotimi nkan ma wakwa aba
ya me nya ba bedoso
ana pe bibia aboko
Jordan Ponya Kupata Roma, Yahoye, and Suna, boy.
Sir, now also what can lockdown one.
Yamian Miniaba, I come upon Yam Local Day. Nagata in Tratiano came on that one of the Zimbabwe, yet you was over, you know. Paying 40 years in Chasso, you trust.
No, I don't know. As also when I saw him say, they are king, a back count, yes, sir. Yo, Mama, I should near say, Kumasi to sing.
Yo, many about me that Yena, the phones on Moshe is averaging active. And then when you can get now actually done some repair and a kid. And this is the idea you have to get the war. When some another Nipapa quiet in the air time on that, you kind of another idea when you get better with the and one called the name. When she came to a bonfire, and Kahoma, a young man, so you could be a bad thing for your domestic answer. Yaba, never that the two young were be activating me any on ADSC and said the baby maybe I used to no, and buying the two guys here with any kind of brother school going out coffee. I am in a couple of days. I am moving out coffee, so still crazy, you know. I have the one air costume to get them on the journey at the only young. You know, that they are taking the air report to go on, but I am not sure when on one place and tell my dad the Kakra. There's an hour to you, and I am sure you're between me as your criminal abba. Now, I have a ban is on the beer account or money a young couple, Billy Mancham, na odo dia agreement mo a and
Coffee, better was say, and a why I don't jump for nearly the actually, and you know, cause one of when you fed the chireno, and I hope I had more watching a best about one of my figure was a jump for nearly the accident and Emma, a sea air corner. I say, oh, said them all. Said them. Said them. Said them why? Yami saw a bread, you know, it was a reporter, a jump a henny coffee may sound, and an energy come all the way from Kumasi on an energy and Commonsenia. Because and you think when you are not pay with Fiasi and Impany for a better commercial lockdown with your penny. And last but one speech or the mind, let's say, or shall lockdown or Cassia lockdown, prim one, yes, and yes, and as a papa pepper. Now, you see, and partial lockdown we are being. Send Uncle for see reactions near the end, ending in 19. And if you find up a new missing Kunia, I will fear has seen me honorable Felix Kweku, Yeboa, or no Felix Kweku, a Sylvie, were correcting me and one and to one or Casai the man NPP party now. For instance, we were honorable Eric Shrema, or no, a Poho MP, how a candidate. I say, Miami Quakum Quacojinim, the semi facing. Miami Quaco Dinajas and Nina contest. Or no, and Poho, and I know a year I was to be a better tree and company for Omunina Quamba.
Yeah,
the besi be my mama ntimi se ye na
I enche number ye my ye
abe potential besi be potential man
no
yeah ndi o ye mama ya sipi
and no open for and I pay the baby aboko
yeah
19 ho abobo wa na egusu a
okay
ye bobo ye he se yakopon bedum ye na chese bibi etumi akose ne a wo se akoni na ye hu ato enye sa
pepe
Etin mama is starting free Felix wo say communicate so munyo na bofo so munyo na you know every make say ora
mate me do to me na body FM na bofo na ye maintain your flat names no and ye de be mo 7 member on fa na bo small one na e ba ye nuan ma one wo pre e mbra hye begwemi a ye fa na bo no ma one me nua be si ade atene say jumedi ne shas ya na say bibi we shas no nyama pi na akoso a e be ka ne say ye de na no keke ne ye de ka na ye gya ya nka bia ye ndu ha say isanse abre no mu no ana say wo be ye te say yare we aba China no enya enkofo na wo ye all kind of utterances ana say sabia wo keke nsam ahuru pia say ebia ye di akira nka ye ndu ha say ana say edu ha say a nka sambo ne na atoro mani na ebe kan say amena do ma ye mampeni a ana say ye mampeni a oto no bo ase ansa na wakasa no sabia edu bribi na say kasa ye ode pia ebe wi echi na atoto afom pi nti bribi amakasa no mra na kasa na echi no na aform opinion and say the one same or the final say ni aba nti sabia bring na bi na was sometimes silent is golden and as I say nkasa pia it say na we gudi bi say the effort dudu ni na adwene wi a na ahwehwe papa ewom na de atogwa timi say dem saso na mampeni di echi san say wo behwe telephone wana amani ho a wo hu ya and say wo hu ni sisiale a oye mpopro ho a Italians ni yan because yale ni po de edu bebi ankofo kan say oye airport na aeroplane yale o san da oye yare a yare no bawso yare a wo na wo kofa yare no and obehwa most of this and as enkofu dudu a wo fa yare ni na no ebi mo fa no wo bus stations airport ebia bebi andom abapedo and say aeroplane there la your bus in between the seats unu ya ko be de nsa be susu ampara the food and as fifre be finance an baba no ebe kodam bia no ma wo so do nsa kosim nti sometimes most of these cases your cases are what for free dem bia na say baby a yale ne free ba because suppose say you free China na yeba yale ne wo China airport ya for airplane e bi mu fi mi san ye so ekofo yi and say ogina no wasan so be load nkofo kwana wo ka there and say kwana mpeni fam ya tiase mpeno do ayare ne du and say odi e wo surface bia say ye mframam so ye hard and as dem for the paper so ye wall yenim ni na de order dado so nti onya aboa order baby na mframa abo no 2 minutes bi na wasana akọ dem oya aboa order ho no ma obetuma da akopim bripi as a yaru premu no da na so da ebia dem seat na e wo plane no
table I know go to make the 5 days
good
as a one ewu still nso a eno so 3 days
good
ntine ya na ya share na
that's where I'm coming from na say hold me free ba baby emergency say ya share table asin yan for plane no or use a side bus in between seats and I say in one a woman won't say about them seat no and you lock a seat belt no into a baby denara sometimes they say for trotro na say wo seat no na say seat no eba wo so na say we close to the seat sometimes most of the ones are wedge them seat no and that is a problem do a full plane what for them yare no into no one no one pre one Ghana for we student or China one go for one bra na they are no Italians did same and the telephone where the same and that is why what be dream on don't free China school for free China buy no what they are be bo to ya e Italy into idea anamontu na bam bonin hweso a omani ne mampani odano na ne nkrofo ana sape de chief for wo boa madwumadi akoso wetu no e na mo yebedu bebi a ndempo bebi yebedu ye beka say ye number no obi beka no obi de back compare some countries are where nearby obi to say Nigeria because as it stands now the last time I meet in Nigeria I think say this morning also na Nigeria was 90 something of which you compare to Ghana 52 now 152 now you be can say osododo 57 yo osododo but sometimes you be funny say ebia ya measures that you put in place no ebia Nigeria for won put in place nti bebe you do nti na won do honom na say ebia work into this proper measures that you akona ebia by this time we bu afaso dada but ebia yen hyehyɛ ya hyehyɛ kwan ya fa so dey aden to kwem no and na ma yehu and ade no ye chin eye de obehu chin there unim because yet sincerely this lockdown ya can want some other pay no lockdown now happen. Yes, we lock will be as on training them keke o. I feel we also call community test which is the mandatory one. And who should dem ala na be wabo awo. Bombo ni apo na dem bri ya pesa wona what dem no. Ya test ni hu. Ti say why dem test no wo. Akra Kumasi and baby why lockdowns ni wi a. Na fie be hu baby ye gina nkasa. Because as it stands now, yeah, can this 157 year. Maybe there are more. One so what she dem a. Ye nim baby a e be hu till time obey them testing ya ebia minimum say dem na obey because me today after this one community bia mandatory testing na we be test ehun say if you biem community biem no ye wo dey one as afidi ye nya bi kra na mbom wona wo dey free akwantum buy no one day na dey atwesi anti me feel say onye adwuma be kan say ye dey to two form say obi am dey say we buy no sisi ano the politicization of it and I say kono efa so dey aman yo sem no wa bofom kakra say we yale we no onim say me NPP na say me nua pay ni e NDC ni the onim ni say ono bofo bi akakede ne ko nti say what na the way your politics na say when so betel no ade na atiche na say what afado a me no be ni na ye ko nti ye be sra say ne ye nyina ya asutie ya twen mampani de nsem egu akoni me ko na bien amu ye be do this lockdown ya Ghana Medical Association and the other agencies up like what pro there umbrella ya started the urbano if you there one ye nyina botal ye nya komatoyem ne mbom body na say there what can be ye na ebedu so say na be ye nko fasam foforo afa meto man so Mr.
Yeah and you know mamem ko owura chirema ho one day on abo ne di ama no one day ni on abo ne di ama owura chirema ye hwe omampini and the last but one speech of Kasa, you know, Chirum say, lockdown, we a Kasa on your lockdown is Siana. Oh, share you won't cry. Yeah, young cook a market here. Ye, one city material, you need this or Cosa Kofu when women in Anna. Nothing people Kasa by a lockdown, and yet, dear day results, Papa. And when any better one more hypertension, and that's our pressure, and I said, any other disease, and also bet to me a dear Semeba. No she fear na so don hu se maba na sisi an partial lockdown we have send a reporter say kire say kofo bebre na wo fear na some kofo the same people na because ko kantamanto okọ nkran ya kofo de dambontin so mu nwe bi o mu da kra
me no see am das papa say amama kwanya and oye do the nkire na adwen modi kan no yebechia etiefo a wo na so gu ando won so wo hwe yiche we nyina na American there. Sisi wiase amama ni hina obia asema oka oye coronavirus aba a obia di ho abobo ba kakra American say yare yi ehya se eba no last year latter part of last year and yete ne nka say yare na aduru oye China when ade na ahya se a efi eba
31 December.
Yeah, take one sem bebre, especially when it came to you know American school or China. They said they mean you branch and dick and they can't answer pepe. So there was a debate. Say, yanka for you know and I say, "Bema watna China mem." Go to a time that student and I war China nankasa. Now they were calling say buying mefa or munko. But you know say at every point in time, we all sit on a round table. Look at issues near share the Ebabo mine on at the right time. So the government decided say instead so do bebano or the aduane ne nyoma omunya no ebekwa komo omo ho. And yet two and a more officer debate no anamegwa. Sisi baby eba beduru ni say yare no as at 4th of March abro mampani fi no way by no. Kwa probo Ghana ha nyina o ma yete ase de every preparation Eda na kwemu a say Ghana was prepared for coronavirus and I'm fully prepared at Kodoka International Airport when he inspected the Terminal 3 and other things. That's what he said. There were even communicators who were saying say yare we dey there eba Ghana ha na eba o mo ayen hihye yin na wie. Then came the first nation broadcast by the president Obeka Chere say $100 million eda ho a ye de beko COVID-19.
$25 million now. Or Willie Z say you find to near my year, and I saw $100 million in so buy.
Very good. No, Becca, and you know, we were rest assured say coronavirus in the Eba Krana, you will scatter ho. At the China Finance Minister Kakachere Parliament is oh, Saskana President can yes scatter who, Manana Yakako refi, IMF, and other bodies are aka.
You travel from there, you do some Nsemsem. Now, sir, pandemic eba. Nye Ghana had a chassis. A chassis fee, a bit more minds China, to be precise, and other European countries. And you know, as a country, and they are well prepared, awaiting say a beba and answer embano. Now, my dream, say, just as say, yes, you and you may be fee, or yes, I'm a minus. Na ye da ye ho so se bedu ha no mo de omo ye ko ye de anko ye no na ye so ye ni ye na ye de atwen se be ba na ye de abo ye ho ba but betumi aka say I to say ya nhye da nsua no ma biara we are just doing the talking, we have money, ya ready, we are prepared. Meanwhile na ye adetrefo na nursefo ase ya re ba wo be hwe yen so no na ye ndwen wo ho nti ye prepared na ya ye no na ya ye nsen. Were you prepared in terms of communicating or talking, or you were prepared in terms of action? What must I say? Because as of today, as I speak with you, who koye clinics na dey wo wo yem krasi krasi ha. Are they a friend of PPE protective way na? Omo ni bi. It is all can say Ghana is fully prepared. Ghana is fully prepared. And you fully prepared. Yeah, what they are kwan so. What I say? A whole lot of normal ye dey akosa coronavirus ni ye ntu anamo bia o. But we were told say we were fully prepared. Then yari ya aba ya hu say bi aba Ghana nkofo akofa abeka yene. Initially there were calls from other bodies to say the only way yari ni betumi aba man no ni say ye nua normal a war outside Ghana no. So mo ba na say bi di bi ba na be ba man no mana me wa. Nti in order to prevent everything yen cross your border. Sauti Ghana Medical Association omo ye press conference yen cross border no.
And even Ghana Health to see a press conference on that.
Very good. Civil societies eba abonti be ka say yen close border no. Minority in parliament a press conference yen close border no. In all these calls ni hinara no. Na I say omo so omo ye listening government no omo ha o no omo anti. But let me tell you, say idea right and then one yen and then we no china. It loses its importance and its relevance. And I'm a boy. But always be then we go and hide behind that cliche that it's better late than never. But when it comes to pandemic, when you are late, it costs you. Because at that time the course never there close border. No? If it was Monday, close your border, 1 2 border no more. No kotum Wednesday ya. Nkofo ebe fa border no aba Monday, Tuesday no. Say bi mo yare na omo de aba. And those calls aye nkofo a say ara no the course mandatory quarantine ama omo emfra omo frɛ na abeda di say no emfra papa. Because ya quarantine nkofo for a day since we started quarantining people. Nkofo quarantine no omo. You should figure say film by 79 omo anya bi na. Then it tells you that when you find the probability and you look at the trend analysis, and I say, omo bad before the 23rd, there's a probability that they came with the virus. Let me give you a typical example. Yeah, obo ne papa, I went anywhere biko. Yes, you about mine on the 19th. And this 19th were times na Ghana Medical Association, what fresh young close to border. Until you close to border, mandatory quarantine, that man would have been part of Sankofo ne ye be test your. But Sankofo ye jomo me dey ombesin. Enu so ye twemu ho. Yade na dikan aba wie. Now, yade na aba ye nya community infection which we call the horizontal causes no ye nya bi. Afie the vertical ones no omo de omo kofa aba no. Omo tukwan omo traveling records no eno wo ho. Ya senso nya 3 4 5 omo de omo tukwan bia. Omo te Ghana ha na yade na beka omo. It means that obi na kofa bai no omo de abeka omo. Then the call started coming again from Ghana Medical Association and other bodies that they should be locked down. Locked down. Locked down.
Ghana Medical Association, Pachami, ye be one say, Omo lockdown no more de buy and nature say. Much say I see the NMC air corner can lockdown because Omo said that ni a humbound bomb near the PPE, Omo said that a nibi, Omo to put their bomb by any idea, a bit to me a boy woman. Say be suspected in Puna Mitmedan, a day as one, and nothing almost as say, and can lock down no embra.
Very good, Medasi. It's almost as more can lock down. Almost as more can lock down. government no eba abonte be ka kire say our system and to me mboa me yen lockdown yeah lockdown as you rightly said yeah lockdown obi be ko se be ajanan obi be ko akoye say obi akoye say nti yeah lockdown yen den enye because those calls no included the call from the minority that I say a lockdown. But you see, when we have reached there, as my brother said, and your politics, but there are some positions that take your mind when it comes to problem solving. On my being said, there are superior beings which we call the landlords, and there are inferior beings which we call the tenants. So almost more mind your media. Into tenant, the casa bidia, yes, I'm more fired me. It is tenant. No, we don't landlords. Man, new no. Into idea or more decided on mobile crown. If the NDC also says it, just say, for more green. Into getting American situation can lock down a minority, but can't lock down. No minority for Mocas lockdown. Yeah, lockdown. He says, yeah, one a baby, one a baby more Adrian. And they are make us say those problems that they outlined, you know, that's what our problems now.
Oh, say, your company. Health minister will release 5,000 kits or testing kits.
No, I'm not talking about testing kits. I'm talking about they said the structure of the economy. Sir, your system, no, percentage of people doesn't have KVIPs in their homes. Sure. A percentage of this. I'm asking, sir, and they can say, have we bought KVIP for those people? Have we changed the structure of the economy within the 2 weeks? Now there's a lockdown. So those who poo-pooed the idea of lockdown, we are asking them. At the end, year to my year to me, I lockdown.
Business Financial Times, social workers and say, Akufo-Addo pushes 1 billion Ghana cedis lifeline into the economy, and it's all. I say Corona.
My sister, Nana, you are not getting my argument. I am saying that the argument was that majority of our people patronize the public. What do we call toilet and what have you? And another example they cited, and I'm asking, say, within 1 week, where's the toilet in the mobile when if you and they to lockdown? What I'm saying is that whenever there are issues, that's here in a chair and Najana, obi the Najana by my and man punching. Now, when you come to this lockdown, you see, Italy did a lockdown. A convention of fire lockdown. France did a lockdown. India did it, China and other countries did a lockdown. In India, when the Prime Minister announced a lockdown midnight, early morning there was a total lockdown. And there are about 1.3 billion people. There was a total lockdown. You understand? Italy used our system. They closed part of the country and left the other part, like we have done. And when they did it, it was around 72 hours. Ours was 48 hours. 72 hours. A lot of people left those states in our bed and were closing down, like it's happened yesterday. So you ask yourself, there is a reason behind locking a particular place down. When you go to the WHO, they met the G20 leaders, and the reasons were outlined. The main two reasons are a lockdown. They say, who say ya confirmed cases, you know, it emerged or came from some area, Tema, Accra, Kumasi. Therefore, there is a probability that people have infected other people. Until you close this area and down, so that we will get those people within. They start testing, no. What Marcia? Now they are doing contact tracing. So you are aware about 1,000 and over. Where contact tracing. It is a lockdown. It means that those people will not travel beyond the other to go to the other regions. You know, not what they are doing. It's a lockdown. But when you announce a lockdown within 48 hours, and people leave those areas to other areas, I want discover that it defeats the purpose of the lockdown. Look at the number of people. Yesterday I watched social media pictures from Accra and Kumasi. People who are going to the stations, they walk off buses, walk other areas. I have assurance in here whether the monk of you are walking, won't carry or a virus. You are doing contact tracing. So when you go and mention Kofi's name, and they tell you Kofi no Wahana last week no Takrade, you are not coming to Takrade. By the time you come to Takrady to look for Kofi, Kofi would have been Kofi Bebre. Then you are making our case worse. That was why Ghana Medical Association, they were calling for the lockdown because when the case become worse, a woman in Yaboko Kobu, Yane Apumdinfo, my phone word. And Obesha want to tell you, baby, I want to control issue. Only thing was here lockdown so that we can limit it within. Now, do not on travel. Virus, no, in pan or head or so if there is no movement, there is no spread. But under the Mosi and Kofu Bebre, Wall of Kaba, Western Walker Central, Binum Covota, I had say Binum Poko Okenya, unfortunately working up when she came. So all this way, you know, then chair, Sebi, about not in a foam. No ocean, no, that no. Ghana for sensitization the way on NCC on Yen Churchman. You can lock down near my 48 hours to them on man paying or Kenya. Way or likely to happen. So I mean the moon there lockdown is in order. Your cause are in Kofu and Warfare. It should have come earlier, but better late than never, as I rightly said. So why lockdown now or you good? But what may you share there? And she said they go a crime in a bed. Obey you, Juma. Na you tum ya achieve the purpose of the lockdown. Na ya report to them on conquest and uncofa. What other members or bandama? We find ourselves in a worse situation, which we cannot cater for.
Ebusia aha ideas TV Nsemsem Dwumadze na waso anaso we ni egusu a wo hwe enya me aye radio na chekakra ana yoban pacha wat aye TV station so what I say aha enti penifam ni o mo sin kunya hwe lockdown no see a lockdown partial lockdown no mampeni why the okan here me mama who say no mampeni or your listing government and as your listing leader and panel and it say oh where one more say be one ko market ya wo munya wan see the crown to nsuo no any use public toilets near dear, use public near dear, you know, show manunti and a lockdown we want to be and farmer. Nasono, we paid the Musa no, why shall you be one from one? And then send the brie at the baba, and tell me beside a Felix say, you see a young man penny, and it's a more kind. I say lockdown we are be. Like a man saw man penny, what you will move in because we can share any kaya yo for year more caswani and this no musi can some did ya bobo ni adi where I when you come no because of say your passion into when it's okay they can manage it for that 2 weeks now man penidia man
yeah my sister okay can some I am better can say me na me normally I am me panel be as I mean try the me you be na some no that is not my style so say you hanoma the ya dey be you be be o will be a debate. Something like this, we don't debate on it. Because I can measures. I obi atina si adwene bibi ho. Answer no the measure bi aba. And yet they say bi a ofiti ya prekope obi asi ye ntina wo ye bi no way. Because me ti we na ka me say me na me di Takrady na so. Hallelujah. Na me nshambra. Me way a me de be manage Takrady no. E bia say me de ma wa obe ni different. The reason mampeni o ka se onye na waye no se ubisa me ameti ya mekere ma adwene dede pa the reason me mekere ma on say me mpo no wode ma me say ade no me ye me se me ye na metena ase me steady no ene ye me o but me fa me dento no ye hwe sane ade na te because mampeni no ade na hye ne sa already no maka the at least bibi kakra mampeni ya me penasa mo say onye obi opepere na kasa no you be your people no ye ne yama na say o ka kire say minority aye press conference Ghana Medical Association I mean this our same say Ghana Medical Association coronavirus by Ghana Health can one day of course so many years it took some radio stations I will push Ghana Medical Association to say where are they ala ta no mse nko so ko betu makasa wo nya botar I think said must meeting war news reporters for more than I think 1 week and some over out by once one statement. Into why from day one once 1 year statement. They were that thinking say once so say what can say be a children say Bobby ko hold one back because per their background and I say near wosiano it covers this thing here wabe. It is of it no boy one keke. Na say what can na say adeni jigwa. You so bobo wudi. Bibi sana mampeni here no. It is a me to make us a lockdown, me a lockdown. Takrady, he na juma ya wa ya fem tua. Hand to mouth. Say me me a plumber, Tyler, radio president, sports finance analyst. They are not to MC, blah blah blah. So many things. All these things that I'm saying, oh yeah, hand to mouth job. It is a make sure me what say me. Na say me the major man e bia makase bia o. Yeah, lockdown or takra there. Have to consider all these things. Inti na president one paper no say what is obi so lockdown wala no ko lock it down. No way. Inti na say governance ne wa. Ye wona woni mi ye. Ni ye won so a amana won suasua ye. Asa me kana say ya ka amembu a ye wona amembu because won woni ma de ne yankasa. Ni obi mu say wo ba wo hwe what tetete bi mu na ase ni wo suasua bi nketenkete. And sometimes who sua yama mistakes ne doso. Na se woni ma de bi ya na se wo ya wo to bo ase wo mpro. And they be no man penny no. Sunday say me ka say oye bibi te say ejanambia baby ankofo be didi nti me ya lockdown. Na say sisi am a lockdown. Have to bring measures the mean crofo no ho be har won. Inti na Sunday say wo akra na say wo ko sabi ejanambia won fa ke nche so say ebi amanko nsi because man penny adwene ho wa shambra de am won na wo be hwe o man no so eye won na woni na information de the mini pay so akeda okwe na ajanambia de a wonja no nko ne momfo woni ndi de chi de oho no okwa the man way no mama na de meka ne sen kaka bi mu won de abofom no uko China na de it was like that. China one fit unlock China crony na say burum what the padlock out to China. No way. Baby and see them supposing say yet me anka obi anka hwenchen yo ye sorry na pa keke sam ene ni nua ofane say ekma boss also sorry ya also ya lock afia na ofane say STMA ye betuma atena me mu ana at least ese one my timeline bi ama ye wedi mani bi to sia ya to esie menu beni ati ye ni food joint bi a ye betuma afate say na obi owo US obi owo UK obi owo Italy betuma akade bi o mewo house number so enso I be say say if you are ti anasa ha ye wo sisiele bisa mbeda say so wo takrade a obetuma abo bebi owo no ne before say ni street name and ni location one kasa mo wa flow bi so bia ye order bia one family na and on what how many of them over them fane say them kwan no nti dem ye me no man pani dwindwi ni nyina ho say no say bi tiram dia see the measures bia send the abasa say takwade na wo lock it down yen ko su say bia o wa ka bi wan suppose say yan ye hwe president country and bia wa kra ina ofiti yan lock ya kra ka just me be see because when po wa ka chire when po no hwe the we na nyama aye in the am no kasa I am telling you say e bi obi ti dem isu because wan kojo wan kwanko ye concrete oni ska won wo de be didi ayipo wa ka chire ni o ayipo wo man 2 days I think 24 hours ema ye gina han 48 hours ye gina ye kan wan sam so on ye no bisa hu say wan ke bibia nchiro bia nko besi ni akono boss wa ko besia e bia be say bia bisi o de be didi 2 weeks because onim obi anka nche no because man pani so on ye ina man pani to prove pum olock na why no nipa kono kwaji no na mpo so obi okoji a obesi na mpo e wa because a total lockdown into man pani hu ro so on ye no partial something bibia emogo kakra say na be ya wo bibi kakra ya mitwe se me gina say me wo fia sabi agya na nim na se wo akra hallelujah me go Germany so je na guide me in the me jana so je na guide I am telling you say bibi sa wo no ma so je na guide me be obla be ko Germany and you bad something like this no oya dey na dey boy ho in bom one one boy money na one boy Ghana in one wa pepro won ho fi akra Kumase they wo to kwan one boy biara the man the year president na so shall say tinchina tena wude president alert you said this thing is coming so that ebetum aboa ho wode didim baby a ube insu ebia baby be jawn enyama bia ebetum abo wo dem time na wode ba kan yina akose dem no president ma ho sabia obue ni kakra kire ama we to my bibi dan bo ho de sie na say ba ne say nkaputu prum pray because obi akasa yenti obi de na adwen na adwen kire yina no we sample it. There's no way I don't want you in trouble because we're a minority. Why you in is so fantastic, so we should take it. No way. Even now, young brother paying a kind of quiet. I say, you could eat and can then for because China for try same. China food what is a kind of was okay. Kiki go over one coffee because a friend is a minister, former minister be Ghana, and I said, MP be Ghana be also Ghana also by force. I won't go for international fast and go for Yandi. It will never happen that way because sometimes who a good leader will be a OTA as some not once a while. You don't make mistakes. And I thank God to say, hey, dear, any party, the number ya kono, could be baba ya home, but no more mistakes, you know. On those in Chio Papa obey. At least I could be baba here, but it shouldn't be any none here.
Well, now say mammy first and we mention more. Who say and now this COVID-19 age in Asuya and a ma a year NDC ex-president John Dramani Maham or the two just okay. You're shooting at the COVID-19 service where near a man yourself. On a would free here. Say a same way any man yourself. I was saying in a kay boom. Nay, back when they fighting this COVID-19 together. Looking at Ebola dear. Ebola can't be compared to this coronavirus crying anyway. Let's face the real truth. But in painful, sorry, so Juma, Emma Ebola, good one. But coronavirus, a best way for free one, and what less idea. Or better team. Eba bomb and penny, and then in a pump for more fight to COVID-19. No, my year, Juma. I hope I say anything before seeing her. Team your company ex-president what the NDC are to so to NDC to so negative say will be claiming glory Eddie Amano. Your old man penny no what channel to say ex-president what channel say Mumani who dia echo and so your caucus say Mumani who dia echo
Asem papa
more briefing
the attorney say Minjini say man penny dada an American candidate Mahama.
Yes, or a candidate.
Yeah. Which man penny the candidate Mr. John Mahama. Not some or cano, or ya some candidate or ya some one. But sometimes you want would they it didn't be to Austria. Because it raises eyebrows. Say, MOB showing it with any fufu. Yet you had me behind the scenes there were doctors who free one pay what join I find say this fight our fight. Obi and throwing from anywhere, Obi until ku and fighting for be and so and they are in there. Yet the enemy say ofane say obi yi ni kotokum sika anase ni sika wape de buano ofa di mi antoso ode akoto honom ye gina honom say NDC o MPP o parliamentary candidate awo sisi ano saboso mi so obi agi ni pay one person opposition to one pay it why they say parliament na say the madi we what dwene every day akwakwo se kokko ebim akokreate sin wo party office dey betu go say art team akoti team I did them team neighbor if really say was Fred the am simple say they call this one a rapid team rapid and the way am for since 2019 na amana form a group I find a rapid what is the meaning of rapid Mr. Financial rapid chere ade se shire do na ma so le putupu say yansu eni yansu yaba that is what we call rapid and ya rapid we be ni pay wu ewie na say mark of a rapid team so what of when I was started one day. It is sometimes when you bring something like and then we be a escaping for better obi na can say me to so sometimes because I mention sika na obi e sika cash into na eduma no e bo ma di sika man na di me to so a ampe sometimes from the source as kind of you no I'm not even interested so it doesn't matter say we free yeah this in na me po me come but sometimes the way basic a craft what that's it because say obai oh yeah MPs are parliament and some way you know yeah the enejuma to as MP be parliament situation parade but you be pray there you no man one MPs are doctors are what bia the man for we know you know what this one you could have even mentioned it at parliament
so I say and then the reason why I say NPP are not forthcoming with the NDC team no
they are not ready my sister I want one year ready masa ntokwa wona se yakwa yes ye di kan me fone se bia me no bi ba kuno ma be jana na me se ma buru no ma gu obla ntokwa na wa sha se wo kwa ntokwa na wo ku igwani mu dadaw what is the approach why mu na the medi show once that you have to do press conference before you join it no ya kuno wo system mu corona wa ba otete ya gusu ya ku anywhere to pass your driver anywhere to go and join the fight man penny and a press conference no we define him you know say Ghana Medical Association and sorry Ghana Health no one of this adamadi then fight what shall one sir at least avail yourself to them one more because they know you are a doctor they know you are a pharmacist they know you are this the qualification that you need and I say we need to fight this they know you and they need personnel to come and support them so why the press conference and for some also if really side ready say be ejuma and for some no so it don your concept be gagamasa why ya man ye hu that showmanship no yeah the man dey showmanship ejuma o once me kasa me fan ya politics e ku aba ma ya ku e dey ya politics e dey di agro na chese Ghana of in nezu the man wey di agro to say ne say dey nkata no kekeke we agro dia obi who see man penny no watch that because so dey win election na call you so press conference oh no sometimes some of these things the same party
okay etino my member honorable chairman honorable you say mudi politics person will claim a glory be the bam on nature say a election yen to farmer Montana person which
my sister, what the Kamamin shas in Phoebe Mawala Shawadas, I say, it will learn to me fan on to COVID-19. Now, COVID-19, it took the nation by surprise. Damn came. It is never true. It is never true. You see, the president said on the 4th of March, there what today, coronavirus was China, was Italy, was Germany, was Europe. But Ghana is fully prepared for coronavirus. We're 100 million for it. It is a yarn over we never catch it. It took us by surprise. What do you mean? Adia si one young kunifi. Then pain forces what is our young kunabody Asia. What do you question assume? What I say? Into Adiane Koswa China late 2019. Now what one Mabedu have March. The first case I report to Ghana around 20th of March. And I'm a the president to catch say on the 4th. Now summer see war China mom last year. Now president catch on the 4th of March say we are ready. When inspect Kotoka, why BBR say we are ready, ready hospital in alcohol. That's at the end about 20th. No catch say took us by surprise. Adia took by surprise. And say at hey, you need not say BBR bad, if it's not then and frame. Now what took you by surprise. My sister. Good. So it never took us by surprise. We knew coronavirus was there. We knew the World Health Organization had declared that it was a pandemic. And when we say something is a pandemic, something which is affecting many, many countries and many parts of the world. You understand? Outbreak. You knew it. Pandemic. You knew it. So the government knew of coronavirus. When the president was touring the European countries, he knew that nowhere in other countries that he visited, the coronavirus was there. So it didn't take us by surprise. Two, when you go to the World Health Organization, the senior advisor to the Director General of WHO, our friend Bruce Allward, 2 days ago, he outlined major pandemics World Health Organization what dealt with. And he mentioned Zika, Spanish flu, Ebola, and COVID-19. These are the 4 things he mentioned. Go to the net and check. These are the 4 pandemics he mentioned. Zika, Spanish flu, Ebola, COVID-19, coronavirus. So why you tell me? Because the Ebola didn't come to Ghana. Now a B-way see what you want to go to them yet. No, if you there, why then? On yeah, I don't dangerous. But it had a high mortality rate like the coronavirus. But when you can't say one coward na, what's my in there? A quan nothing. Ghana for you yet to the dimity. Near the coronavirus today. So I'm Bagana ha like in command in a bedding come of full. In Tibola and Bahantini didn't come of for a fido or no bibiala. But go to Sierra Leone, go to other countries that were they suffered under Ebola and tell them that no bibiala. Atmasa. So I beg to differ. So it never take us by surprise. Just that Kasana no oil and destiny more the 2, making progress. What's the NDC for the technical team abana? It is never the case. You see, on a can catch on people think that they are superior beings. Share or man paying to Mahama, what Ghana man? Why a vice president? I a president of this republic. Or share you do one sebi in pain for say, bosom confubona, what I are for my confupabaton. Sebi when you then, when you know to Chinanamwa. Into young funny there. In their logic, or man paying to man, one year so I shall Ghana do for 8 years. And then the bed with my yadri. It is a samba no can be a sebi, or you'll be all the way what to ask them to China. Or you're just a mere candidate. Will be why a vice president of the republic. Will be why a president only and a state function like the 6 March when you can now what be a issue or Ghana. I'm going to man what be issue. No, but because they know that he's a statesman. So a statesman, that's what telling us, me and family, I will not sit on the fence. There was a time when I was a president. There was an outbreak called Ebola. I had a team that worked with me. The whole Africa, so when you are a center of Ghana, the way man, that team was us one way. Why don't I call them? The government also has a team led by Dr. Nsemsem. It is a method that team. That's a Dr. Nsemsem will hear one advisor. Like the president called the Trade Union Congress, Ghana Medical Association to cast an audio on Adventure. He can call them. I also want Adventure a whatever. You remember when Nanado became the president? Within the first 3 months, he invited the former president. On we now Mangana. So what is wrong there? Ubi a former minister of health, former director general of health, or now some other new and I say a friend Adventure or now. And let me tell him. That NDC technical team now, what would they go? What they have done on their own, from their own resources, you know. So you can't want to walk Benum Pansha won't do with my NDC for you. They should go to the Omanpain the website throughout the country. The individuals that President Mahama directed, his former appointees, he directed that they should help this fight, you know. Mawa yeno on easy. Every corner of this country, supplying of Veronica buckets, supplying of sanitizers, supplying of. He's laughing. He's laughing because you see. You wait. I'll get there. I'll get there. I'll get there.
Obi auto spare part of important donation for such a anti Mampeni. Okay, I would have more from my donation.
Look at him and ask him. What has he done when this outbreak came? What has he done?
Now, me made your man, sir. Oh, maybe your man penny. Me no obi your man is get to America. And then I would Yanaka. Obi didn't pay in full 3 months pay the auto. I go for them and go pay the account to us. No matter way, Obi a spare part to go pay. Obi to my more than this. Where you that's what you need to do. Oh, master.
Oh, son, was and watch any part. So, man, penny, I be a Ombeka. Your baby has on bed. Yanfa and no Yanfa donation or yano.
Oh, okay.
Man, penny call Ridge Hospital and other to force PPEs in one be. No, I come home, be no yard, papa. As I sit here, I've provided Veronica bucket for my district.
That is yours. Okay, yes,
for what district? What's the ever? Be embezzled. So between the time I would the ever, my sister, listen. I have distributed last week. The people are using it. Yours will come. So between that time, my brother, when you were talking, I was saying this training of you people, me, I don't like it. You see, when the NDC is talking, you just want to interrupt it. But when you are talking, I just keep quiet and listen to you. You understand? My sister, I have provided. You will provide. The people that are using it, yours, they will use it. Into what would their mind and memory their wabana? Yes, a bed in hand is worthier than the 1,000 beds in the bush. What I say? What you work at terms of Mampeni are donating in the next 3 months? Just look at this. Obi here PP where the human Juade, Media Comano. What's a war April Aketia? May Aketia, no June Aketia, Yan Famboa, Nimpe Win now, where Juma war in April Aketia, or Yan Fancomobi. Despite buying Obeka say, name for so be your Peace FM, April, June, July, one Famboa. As a modern ban Obeka say, ni pay or bejewo, ni team ho, April May June, Yan Famboa, a friend saying, or before. Collection now solve for Bejano, April May June, one Famboa, in Ganam no TA. I did the Bayajuma. We are talking of now, people are dying today. We want to fight the virus today. And President is telling us that Nakacho Bejin April May June, which nobody know whether he's going to work April May June. If you don't have something in the hand, can you donate it? So I tell you that I will become MP 2021. So when I become MP, take all my salaries.
Okay, and you know, we see, and I need a bush for my journey on Facebook, saying you almost saying contributions in the baby, none of the album. So, your own what I say, a very ready, I was saying you're reading nothing, actually, no, you bet was so. Until my main start here was Nanao tree, Prince Nanao tree, or say, greetings, Mama, hope your panels are discussing about COVID-19 virus in Pachawine. But they are not showing examples to the viewers by covering their mouth and nose.
How do you cover your mouth?
Kindly let them not. Kindly let them know that it's very important to show example to for others to follow. Okay, Yati. Spacing from each other should be about 50%. It's very important, you Yati. Very good analysis from the man at your right hand side. Good point, Mr. Chairman. Won't know what you're saying. And he also hope they are not trying to segment their discussion on politics. I can see the other panel was nodding his head as if he does not buy the idea. But let's leave it for nodding or no nod. Let's leave it for them. I say what I actually understand about this lockdown is that the virus try to show symptoms after 14 days. So by the means of this quarantine, will help to know that those who are free and then the affected ones. So all should come down at this crucial time because no one is feeling comfortable for this health virus. But what can we do? You obi nedia wade abreye eno no. I mean call your main Facebook page and so na you read the comment I free for no man. Omudi eba. Frank or say keep the good job. Thank you. Asia Mankwa Bills na joining in. Felix Kujo are joining in. Oni share Jezi, James Goshes were joining Mohammed Nuruddin. And also Oni share Pius Anthony, Oni share Emmanuel Shen, Tosman, Albert Nyako, Magic George, Faustina K. Gam Odine foreign today. Odine Yanum for it into the patch of my wife. Faustina was one year was he doing the watching? Thank you very much. Abdul Hamid, Zach, Nana Kwesi Boating on also 1 year Ramsey Kofi, Sika woman, showbiz bus host on also 1 year Sika. I also had the whole local one. I will self quarantine. My year. I say, Faustina say, awesome. More grace to IDSGH company. Thank you very much. And in comment a free Facebook one no Eric branch 1 year understand 1 year my timeline. So Isaac obey also need Jerry Quason 1 year Abraham Aye me pastor or no Wizama lighthouse also 1 year yeah, joining in your money, my young concording cattle, short one, your banner for the final west, and you have to so then Yakuba Roma, as in way we progress no, ever say Sinkunyabi.
Work and Pobaso to desert, Lufes, Lippes Nadi, said Pem works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic she's one for Facebook, and we put that here, a boom, a Pemi location, so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes One.
Okay, it'll be as I say, Augusto, watch IGSG TV. Ha, Nsemsem Dwumadze. How many among your phone? No, you know, see one. Your place and place, say, after about the other way around, and say, no, so. Yeah, they are, but you're about a hot crowd. Be a new one. What do you go to media with any other media ID or ideas GH TV? No, I mean, we did this quick comment that I say, in fact, you should wait for the Western region has it. See, I didn't hear honorable chairman was still on wire donation, and you know, Felix was also doing their neighbor. Now the man has 21
bomb.
Alright, so Abdul Hamid Zak or say only countries were affected with Ebola, but this pandemic has been affected by over 140 countries. And Mr. Mahama is there politicizing about it. Okay, so Livingstone your boy almost watch joining on here live. Please, over time contribution and no comments and so about. See, to me within live cramp and I will respond to you later. And you know, say now no so work. Yes, sorry, so Anissa.
Okay. Me say, you better sorry, don't make this correction. When you go to America, as I speak, the Democrats, when you're a candidate, but even before being a candidate, President of America, Republican President Donald Trump, what to say Fred Joe Biden, former Vice President, all contest with the Democrat. What so what is wrong? The former President on Wobuman 8 years. That's what what is wrong with it? And we may not say, baby, politics on Boyan. Young phone in Twinchen. Now, today, medical can donations be brave. I am not a member of parliament. Menya Abanejuma, when Tram call from Aban Pest, others as individual. Yarabi na ye boa. Or come out, what can be what could be a wakame. Into one someone's one yimpa. Kakra ye neighbor to my obia and onion on famboa. Even it is about 10 sanitizers you can buy within your household or your neighbors, shared among them. If your neighbor is safe, you are safe. If your neighbor is not safe, it's likely to be what I bro. Into each other's keeper. Ni na yemboboa ni yentu yarba na se. America na dama no. Na America biom so there. What is said to the woman na bodwe or issue na asensu erode akɔhye nsum. Secondly takrade. One year cases were handled does not mean say the virus cannot enter. Yetimi I endure too much. I wanna would say me no. Yetimi I endure too much. Yesterday evening, ekɔ nama say ekɔ ba or takrade ha. Now the rate at which I'm called for jubilating and was celebrating now, 1 million to the social distance and 1 million and find Yejuma. Actually, no more people who are gathered. Yet in the end.
Information ministry no mobema or make a sign no more maybe to 2 1 material and we was one say solid media we send a
very good.
Now when we say on Mampini and then a pump for my prepared to fight COVID-19.
Very good. Into mama yetim ye on debebre. Nzema bia was yen when me infant na akwem. And today about the COVID-19 wa kofu man we your mind mama obia ne tim ye ne de. No mfa yem mfa ndagol because nobody knows what can happen. Maybe on them no let me concentrate in my constituency. Mpoho constituency. Ma baka
because of a
oh, yeah, quite said I am bad, sir. We are calling, say, as all we but man, yes, or ninety, oh, ma, me by 1 year free by, to me about, over 4x4, but me. Yeah, the air catcher and performance in there, Obi around Hondo. Says a ye weddings and so sorry now, I don't want to say that we now leaders or down. What I say, when I banish and what ye, Juma, Mamma, ye now, yan sweating, you might be beyond an outcome. No, I am not doing Kaka able to my area in there. Aban and now your resources in Yashanesa. MP or NHIS fund now a period like this, and you should go there and get money. Then Yama Yiano, nose masks, sanitizers, groups, and I know what Abamia.
Especially the health.
Very good. Or what about? And my sister, when they are bringing it to, you know what about our primaries? Channel it to the right people. No one job politics now what they know. Other side are talking because the other side they are not in government. They are not coming to contest. Now MP no. So no. So we should concentrate. My sister, my point is that we should concentrate on the COVID-19. After that, the primaries will take center stage. At Masia, into Yansu Kakra Yebetumaya and Yaya phase 1. On Chebiara or China nature, Yaba phase 2. Yaba what taxi ranks in the market and other places and comfortano. Yama we hear what that year them made in Nina. I want Pohon crossing in Ano. We are going for phase 2. You cannot sit. Nay and shade Yarabe, Abanakatin on Yana said no ye. We are calling on everyone. Obi Biara on come on board so that together we can fight the COVID-19. Now you come back to normalcy. Now you build Ghana for each and everyone.
Thank you.
Ayo. Yo, me nyaba. They are telling say me so they are making say a fear and an empathy. Honorable Joseph Kujo. Through what is the constituency executives are what you do. So far, I think 4,000 hand sanitizers. If it's all quartered down, the market was another one sober, and maybe obey and they another China because Neda was there and the preparation was ongoing. Oh yeah, there on Yaden Kakamanti 1 October saying you wouldn't subatono. Now feed the purpose our cast on the 7 in 2070, and so I'm conscious where you have funnel. A chip compound and Sunday. Jamon back out chip compound. I know Joseph could offer the Japade. And when it comes to Yama with Yapade there, or you be a Wayama, by this time in Pamela say, my men cannot do better to my friend will be with Sierra. Or better to back into person, one person, Yami on pay. Intimina may have some tinting on pay their me, but Eddie be a yes, I'll be KB. Na nkofata said them yamana ekoso nti sani America no nche bia ono so no de baba wakwa ye obi ono kote no ko e fear constituency oni obi an contest de o ye bibia so ye nkoba so ye election ti no ye because ono ni prime minister bi o no post dem na e Fante man ye ti nti baby ye genesis ya no e takra de ene western region obambo na mi nya sisi ana say ohia sisi ara ye be se obi biara ni nua bi fi Accra Kumasi Ewurem ababeka no ho no my sister mesra say it done it simple so ya wuku ompna onre whatever you call it ya be slow piece for 14 days who say down in year 2 up a hotel be man on that now after 14 days na say mo enhwehwe the 15th day no mo fa ne there mo so mo heaven na mo do at least mo start more enjoyment because here them 14 days na say mo anye bibi na say bia obi bo almost o minstro me no be ni de that 3 days me am town mind be so me no be de me so bo ya pada level no me no be no de ani ho bi mo sisi no ya me nkotin de because ya can say me no be no de ye good ya be do de awro ya za who told you that any baby any pakuni free bar into me that old takrade obi an brother you obi sister you obi an brother obi an girlfriend you obi girlfriend am subano mo me yin fi kakra for 14 days after 14 days western region if you come in particular ya community why to say busueku daminote inti any day after 14 days we can come back and do that brother sister thing but for now they one young fan to na kwem to say ye nim ya ye because ya hwe ni ya de na agro da man ya but for me for me dem kwan so me chia honorable Joseph Kujo and pay baby bi owo bia no me chia afia constituency acting chairman because me say young chairman no do no kakranti first vice no jirem sisi a and then Mr. Tufero secretary oh right ejuma na dos who say constituency dey ejuma akoye no ntina maybe a nti obaba
we see the excavators when it
obaba
we see the excavators
we dey na me ya ka COVID-19 we dey na me
ebetra studio when we were wa ton excavators
I want to garam say eto me kala say afia want to garam say ti da ma semi okay audition to Ferry keke nti me jeno me cha young secretary here honorable Philip prof and other executives are work home your classmate bia they would have come the professor I shall also be DMP one day because I inspire no nti ebechi obi biara na yakase ejuma ne da honom sisi ade de yan de ya twan ye say ya me be yen na dom nti no na bo Joseph Kujo on for post bi en fam baby as campaign because you are da honom wala obi no nko contest so why do you file posters dem not nti oni dem ade na wada nti the okwan do ya no so okko dem yare ye yinara ye mbo na dem yare na sintumfi western region ne oman ni wi ase na se na be ye be yakwan ya yem politics ya de ye ni we no ye few ye ko hiem a ye hiem ti se nuanom ti me do bi bia ase
DJ Storm masa uzoshona so ye quarantine wati yes so quarantine o fi membe ye ya mi sure say woni ahwe enti no ebusua aha na be makwa na edisi dey make us time ni dey fa che wati we try as much as possible say e be dey time ni so why nti ya na odi a champion fo na pay ye ne wo mu esi nkonwa e wo studio ha se na me kan dada na eno owura enrichment aha wono no wo ginem de den de wo mpo wo ginem de den de ama NDC ko no say wo mehwe no mu nyina abo na fe so owura Felix Kweku Sophie oh okay in terms of nya say name no wrong and Sophie ono so no kasa won say no say kasa kasa baba edema NPP party no mu na ni wo sin konia e wo studio has nya mi shrawo say wo share me now do contributions no commenting so ede eba ye ha ideas G8 akopon ya adoma enumre ebo 6 ana meboa ebo 6 ana say 5 3b kojo freestyle ba be ye ne ma no wa ase na wo so dey agiju in COVID-19 we dey ni bi wa here enko pool side enko eyi eno ana information ministry no mo kasa mo den semi tutu dwa na pese me ko na me read na me de show na wo so hu de wo say wo ye say wo ti wonum sisi an hu ne wo say wo ye ama COVID-19 wetumi abo ohu ban na chese bibia etumi akose ne o mampeni ehwehwe no enti no so wo hotel samre mu no so wo pomodi na wo di de o mampeni e de aba na chese ya World Health Organization omu de aba se ye ndi so no so a wo betumi aye na chese bibia etumi aye fine enti no this panic ya abe ha ohu say na say na say pomodi na ye na ya ka cho say ye no ya bibia betumi aye kama and afi so e ba ne say nose mask so anu so mpenifo e di bebre na e di aba say there will be mass testing ha eno nkoma omuni ye twetwe no mu na omu ka say e be mass testing na e be boa na ye nyina etumi abo ye ho ban ti no say wo ho no ma bomodian say the mpenifo church no so ubetumi edi dwuma na ye nyina ye ho etumi etoye and I feel so. Say, only be from money on abba. According to a good the bugger be abba. And conquer not too wide. Mean, can't say do one, but then conquer not too tobo. Nasa otobo, nasa bugger baby drew. Na BBI 5 after 14 days in BBI have come out. I've acquired bugger some. Why, and you know, and some when I say a shannon so. Aha, say, I know your restaurant in India. But more than a package, Janino. And now, friend of us, you'll be way be our one pack for money per chrono. This is not the time I see a dedicated restaurant in India. Packing out their money, panic say. Be it to me, I come to me show. Now, I hope we have more China, a best answer is MCR, MCU, Nami Insure, and I feel so brass studios. Also, Nami Insure, Munina can one after they do mediate to me ever. CDB, ever, and then I feel showbiz bars on spectrum on board watching. And then West Side exclusive entertainment show, and also could do freestyle, and also Sunday more putting, and also ever she shares. So, today, but my dear, I say, always stay tuned in all of our programs. And also to me, I enjoy me. And then I'm a boy, do I accompany more China, ever sign is